everyone, Jay here, and welcome to my video, how to build a WordPress landing page in 2025. This is going to be a SeedProd beginner tutorial. Most people trying to build a WordPress landing page are doing it the hard way. They're stuck piecing things together with clunky themes, outdated plugins, and spending hours just trying to make it look halfway decent, only to get zero results. Sound familiar? Well, in 2025, there's a much better way. It's faster, it's cleaner, and it's actually built to convert. I'm about to show you the exact opt-in page I built using a tool called SeedProd, and I'll walk you through how to build one just like it, step by step. Now, if you want to follow along and use the same tool I'm using, there's a special discount link for SeedProd right down below in the video description box. And I also dropped a free bonus while I was at it, my personal collection of 20 AI marketing tools you can start using today to boost your traffic, automate your content, and make your life a whole lot easier. All right, let me show you what this page looks like and how you can build one yourself that actually works. And I'm actually going to go over SeedProd as well, take you through the tool. It's a WordPress plugin that creates, landing pages, squeeze pages, and a bunch of other stuff. This is my main landing page here. As you can see right here, how well it's put together. Unlock 20 plus elite AI tools, plus my proven prompt vault, transform how to build, scale, and sell online free. Build emails, funnels, blog posts, landing pages, lead magnets, and more in seconds, not hours. I got a picture of some of the tools right here. Video, bulleted list, name and email. Yes, unlock my free AI toolkit now. There's a countdown timer. And there's pictures, so you can see right here. Of the AI Toolkit vault. It's a vault of gold that represents, obviously, what you're getting with my 20 free AI tools. So with that, this is the page, though, my main page. I've created many others with SeedProd. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you over to inside my control panel of one of my blogs. And I'm going to show you what SeedProd is and how you can use it to your advantage as well. So these are some of the, I have SeedProd on a few of my blogs set up. This is just one of them. And these are just some of the landing pages I've converted using SeedProd. And so we got here, you got landing pages. You click this. It's going to go over to all the landing pages, which we just looked at. You got theme builder. I'm going to click on that next. I don't have the plan for this one. I just got the landing page one, but there's upper plans in this. And for SeedProd, where you can use SeedProd to build your entire website and create your theme. There's AI themes. And you can go through there and look through all this. It tells you everything you get with that. And we're going to go back here. Setup, subscribers, you got settings, pop-ups, custom code, growth tools. Here's some of the growth tools that you can add. These are all different tools that you can add to SeedProd to personalize it more and make it better than what is currently there, which is already good. If you're just looking for landing pages, creating landing pages as many as you want, this is perfect for you. You can do pop-ups as well. There's the settings. So we're going to go back to landing pages. And I'm going to take you inside one of my landing pages. Actually, we're going to do this. We're going to put add new landing page so I can show you the templates. And then I'll take you back here and actually show you inside. Or we can just create one. I'll show you from scratch. We can do that as well. These are all the templates here. As you can look on the screen and follow along with me, the different categories. So I don't have to read them all. As you can see, I'm scrolling through. And these are all the different templates that you could use, and there's a lot of them. This is your starting point for any landing page or squeeze page that you're going to be creating using SeedProd. All right, we're going to come back up here. There's a lot of them. Now there's also a search function. You can search for the specific, if you want a specific kind of template and a specific niche, you can use this. And then they got the categories: thank you, lead squeeze, webinar sales, 401 page, maintenance page, coming soon. You got all kinds of options. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to pick one. Anything that looks halfway decent. We'll click on this one. So you're going to name the page right here. Page name looks like, I don't know, girls fashion or women's fashion. So we'll put, let's put fashion. And then it's got the name of your site. Save and start editing the page. And here's how easy this is to use. You got your design here. You got standard, advanced, WooCommerce, and all your different widgets. There's all kinds of stuff you can use here. So all you do is go over here and you click on whatever you want to edit. This is the SeedProd logo, so we want to put our own logo in. So we'd come over here. And I don't have a logo ready, but what you do is click this button. Actually, there might be some saved on here. We'll see. Let's see if I can find something like a logo type. Yeah, there we go, right here. And there you go, my logo's there. Just click on whatever box you want to edit, and it's got choices up here. Move block, block settings, save block, duplicate block, delete block. It's real cut and dry. And you go to design. You're always clicking this design button. You go to standard, headline, text, list, video, image, button, divider, spacer, column, advanced. You got a bunch more. Payment button, giveaway, my pay kit, custom HTML if you want to put that in there. Countdown timer, opt-in form, contact form, social profile, social sharing, video pop-up, icon, progress bar, animated headline, testimonials, image carousel, image box, and you can see all the different, you got all kinds of different options to choose from to build out your landing page. That's it. You want to do a headline, just put it wherever you want it, drag it over, click the box on your left with your left mouse keypad. It selects it. See, it's my awesome headline. Change it. I'll just put the name of my site. And then you want to adjust the size of it. They got it down here, the font size. And then you can do different headers. And it tells you how it looks on desktop, mobile, tablet, center button here. You got all different kinds of options. You can click advanced. And then you got the typography, the color you can change just by clicking this button. See the color change? Black, whatever color I want. Yellow. We'll go back to black, obviously, and then that looks the best. Click close. If you want a text shadow, you got that. And you can see watch it change. So it depends on how you want to look. You got all kinds of different options. You're not going to run out of options with this. And what you need to do here is click connect. This is the first thing you're going to do, obviously. Well, the first thing you're going to do is click on my discount link down below in the description if you want to check this out for yourself and try it out for yourself. But you're going to want to connect, obviously, whoever you're using. I'll put a link to Aweber down there. I think that's the best if you're a beginner. That's the best one I recommend for beginners. It's the easiest to use, most beginner friendly. I'll leave a link down there if you want to try it out. I think it's a 30-day free trial. If you want to check that out, you can as well. But you're going to want to, if you're using a different autoresponder, you're going to want to click connect here. And it's got all these different options. Active Campaign, Aweber, Campaign Monitor, Constant Contact, ConvertKit, Drip, GetResponse, Brevo, Sendy, MailerLite, Mooseend, MailChimp, Zapier, all different kinds of options. You can click Page Settings. And you can switch the name of your page URL. If you want to change it up, you can do that here in the Page Settings button. And then you want to go back. So all you got to do is, if you want to connect your autoresponder, it's so simple to do. Just click on it, and it's going to ask your list name and all that stuff. You just connect it real quick, and then it's going to be connected throughout all. And then you click the Save button up here, and it'll be connected with every landing page that you build. So all you have to do that is one time, and you're good to go. But that's that. I mean, I don't want to go through every little feature this has, but as you can see, it's drag and drop. It's the best landing page builder I've ever used. I've had this like over a year now. I just renewed it again. I love it. It's simple to use. It's pretty cheap. My opinion, if you're using WordPress, you want a good landing page builder, SeedProd is definitely the way to go. And you're going to build, like I said, cool landing pages, in a relatively short amount of time, depending how in depth you want to get. You can build one in literally minutes, or you can, you can take a lot longer to do it perfect and get it exactly how you want it to get it converting the best possible, because that's why we all have landing pages, to get them to convert the best we possibly can. But once again, this is my main one, built with SeedProd, and I can show you a few others, and I'll end this video because I don't want to get it too long. I think I made my point. This is the main one right there. We're going to go back over and go back to the beginning. You click that SeedProd. You click save. You want to save it, or X out, and ask you if you want to save. Exit without saving. I'm not going to use this. This is for the demo. We're going to leave this, and then we're going to go back over to here. And then here's another one I built right here using SeedProd for local businesses. Look how cool this is. So, I mean, yeah, that's it. You get the point. Excellent tool. I love it. Like I said, I just renewed it for another year. Relatively inexpensive. It's pretty cheap. It's a lot cheaper than the competition out there. It's got everything, and it builds awesome landing pages. So if you're running a WordPress site, you want to check it out. Like I said, the link's below. Check out my free tools. And if you want to check out Aweber, like I said, there's a 30-day free trial. If you got your own, that's cool too. Use that, and I showed you how to hook it up, so you should be good to go. If you have any questions about SeedProd, shoot me a question in the comment section below. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up button. Or if you just want to say something about SeedProd, or just want to say good video, or ask me anything, feel free to do in the comment section. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.